If you're looking for that all-purpose knife to do just about all the cutting you're going to need in the window tinting business, you need to look at the NT Pro, the red dot knife, okay? I would say this one is the most popular. This one probably hasn't been the most popular, you know, for the majority of my career, but today it's hands down the most popular. It is a competitor to the Olfa brand. This is the NT brand. They're both made in Japan. I'm gonna open this up real quick. I'm gonna let you see it. It's an all stainless steel construction. It's got a you know, a metal blade breaker. You know, you would just come over here and you would break the blades. Real easy to do. The clicks on this, I want to point out, is probably what really people are starting to like. You see the little teeth in here? They're really close together, and these are called half clicks. I don't know if you can hear that. But see, you see, this blade that fits in here has, you know, you can tear them off, and they've got like about 12, I think, 11, 12 tear-offs, okay? But like a half a click gives you, see how much it sticks out when it clicks halfway? And then you click it one more time, watch this. That's one full click. One full click equals one blade, one tear-off portion of this blade. So that's 2 clicks. Let me do 4. So 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, and that's 4 total clicks. So that's 2 blades. The Olfa style blades, most of them have 1 click, 1 blade. This gives you that versatility to use a little bit more of your entire edge with half clicks, which is kind of cool with the way most people tint today. Anyway, it's got the red dot. I guess it's probably referring to this little end piece right here. You can always, you know, put it in your shirt. But anyway, there's a little red dot there. Anyway, this knife is taking the name the red dot. So this is the most popular one. This is the cool knife. You must have it, the red dot.